Hello guys, how are you all? I hope that you all will be well and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make an very easy, very interesting and very delicious recipe. That's the chicken burger. Yes, you have listened right. Today we are going to make chicken burger. So without wasting the time, let's get begin with the recipe. So guys, I have taken a pan on the burner. I will add in a splash of oil. That's it. So here I'm having this ginger, capsicum and some celery. These are the coriander stems. Firstly I will add in ginger and capsicum. I will saute them for 1 minute on medium to high flame. Then I will add in coriander stems. Now I will add in the coriander stems. You can also add in veggies of your choice. You can also take carrot instead of capsicum, but I have taken here capsicum because it gives a crunchy taste. So here it's done. I will off my flame. So here is our minced chicken. I will add in the veggies that we have stir fried. I will add in 1/3 teaspoon of black salt, 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and just these two spices. Now I will mix it well. Now it has been done. Guys, I forgot to add in the two magical things that were this powder herbs and dried oreganos. I will add both 1/3 teaspoon. Now I will again mix it well. And a teaspoonful of mayonnaise. This is a secret ingredient that no one adds in. This gives the juicy and the tender effect to the chicken. So here I have grated some mozzarella cheese. I will add in 3-4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 3-4 teaspoon of oreganos, and 3-4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now we will mix it well. So here I'm having my three of things ready. So here's my cheese, here is my chicken, minced chicken that we prepared, and these are breadcrumbs. I have toasted the bread and then I have churned it. As my chicken is very sticky, so I will add in a teaspoon of breadcrumbs so it will get balanced out. So let's start by making the tikkis. So firstly I will grease my hands with oil, some oil. I will take a portion of my chicken. I will roll it out on my hands. I will flat it up and add in cheese. जितनी आपकी श्रद्धा है आप उतना चीज़ डालिए. ये नहीं होना चाहिए when we will shallow fry it so all the cheese will come out or bone. So you have to make a ball out of this like this. So now I will press it from the center and I will coat it with the breadcrumbs. So now our tikki is ready. So let me make all of them. So guys, my chicken was around 400 grams and out of that I have ready out 7 tikkis. So now we will keep them in the fridge for 1 hour to 2 hours. It's up to you, or you can keep them in freezer for 15 to 20 minutes according to your convenience. Then you have to shallow fry them. So meet you after 2 hours. So after 2 hours, these tikkis has been ready. So now we have to shallow fry them. So on the burner I have kept the oil. So I have kept this much of oil for my tikkis to be shallow fry. So the oil should not be very hot or very cold. So at the middle of the temperature I will add in. So for the checking, you should take a part of that breadcrumb or add in. So this should puff up. So now I will add in my tikkis carefully. So now we will flip them up. So after some time on the medium to high flame, they will puff up. So now I will take it out. So guys, I have taken them out on a tissue paper. So you can see that the cheese is coming out. So guys, this is the time for assembling our burger. So here I'm having 2 burger buns. I will add in mayonnaise on both the buns. So now I will add in slices of tomato, cucumber, a lettuce leaf. These are very trendy today's. On up the top I will add in my tikki. These are the onions that I have sauteed in some butter with some sprinkling of salt and pepper. Again on the top I will add some cheese that I was left with. So now my burger is ready. So I have to microwave it for 1 to 2 not minutes. I have to microwave it for 15 to 30 seconds only. So let's microwave it. My burger has been ready, guys. Have a look how it's looking. How tempting, guys. Tempting. It's super tempting. So please try it and please like my videos, subscribe to my channel and comment please if you want more recipes like this, or if you want veg burger recipes, so please tell me in the comment section. Till then, bye guys, meet you with a new video.